Hey everybody, I'm making this video to show you how to open that KMZ file that I posted for the discussion board. So in your course content under Igneous Rocks and Volcanism, there is this Lassen Peak discussion file, and attached to that is this volcano discussion KMZ. So you would right click on that with your right mouse button and choose Save Link As. And then probably just going to put it in your downloads folder, which is fine. And click Save. Okay. So then navigate to a tab in your Chrome browser and type in earth.google.com. Okay. So this is a web version of Google Earth. If you like Google Earth and you've already got the Google Earth Pro, you may open the file in there. If you'd like to download Google Earth Pro, it is free, and I believe you can get it under Earth versions. But for now, we're going to just launch Earth, the web version, and it's going to bring you to a default view. Now, if you've ever used this before and you had a view set up already, it will default to that view. So here we go. This is what you should see. So over here then, we're going to click on these three bars. Okay. And we're going to go here to projects. All right. And then over here, we're going to click on where it says New Project and open KML file from your computer. Then you're going to navigate to your downloads, and you're going to find that KMZ file that you downloaded from Blackboard and open it. Okay, and it's going to automatically take you to the location of the project, which is Mount Lassen. Okay, and from there you can move your cursor around. Okay, you can zoom. So with your left mouse button, you can move left to right, up and down. With your right mouse button, you can zoom in and out. Okay, likewise, with the middle mouse button. Now some of you may not have a middle mouse button. Some of you may have a wheel in the middle. I have the wheel in the middle. But if you click down on the wheel and you move your mouse, you can slide into the 3D mode. Okay. You can also, as you move it around, you'll see you can actually roll the wheel back and forth to zoom in and out in that 3D mode. Or if you click down on the wheel and just move your mouse around, it will rotate the view for you. There is also, I believe, a way in here. Yeah, that little button puts it facing north. Then this one zooms in and out. Okay, so if you don't have if you don't have a wheel in the middle or a middle mouse button, then those items will work for you. So yeah, play around with this a little bit, and then we'll go to the discussion board to talk a little bit about what we find out by looking at this volcano using this method. Okay, so that's just the end of my little tutorial on using Google Earth.